Oh my God.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a mod that I really didn't plan on doing. It's being done kind of more out of necessity, and I'll go ahead and explain what happened. So if you watch my last video, you know that we recently moved from Virginia to North Carolina, and so we're in a new home. And in this house, the garage has this piece right here that kind of separates it into two different doors. And also on top of that, it has this piece right here that's bolted into the garage floor. And I guess it's basically meant to help you prevent hitting the hot water heater. And in addition to that, the driveway has this little weird angle when you look back there. But needless to say, getting in this side of the garage is a little bit more tricky than where Shamilia's at, because she could just come straight in. So anyways, I was backing out. I think it was like the first or second time backing out of the garage, and I wasn't paying attention. I was looking more so on this side to make sure that I wasn't brushing up against that tree or running into that pole back there. Wasn't paying attention, and I ended up scraping my side mirror. So it did some damage to the side mirror, which at first wasn't all that bad. So I said, I'll just go ahead and use some touch-up paint. But like a dummy, I grabbed the wrong grit sandpaper when I went to wet sand it, and it ate all the way through the paint, through the plastic. So I ended up having to try to do some touch-up paint on it, and let's just say it didn't work out too well. So that was kind of halfway through the touch-up paint process. I could work on it and get it done a bit better, but at that point I just said, screw it. I'll just go ahead and get it done professionally. But as I started looking through different options, I came across these. And these are some gloss black side mirror covers. They mount with double-sided tape, as you can see right there. And they basically just stick on. But I never really thought about switching to black. I may want to go with black, but I want to see what it'll look like first. So I said, I'm just going to go ahead and get these, and that way I can at least see what it looks like before I fully commit to getting them repainted black. And also, if they hold up well enough, I may just go with these. They're a gloss black, so I know they're going to be prone to scratches and fingerprints and stuff like that, just like paint would be. But I figure if I got them painted, I would probably go ahead and wrap them with a clear vinyl to help prevent scratches and things like that. But we're going to go ahead and install these and see what they look like. And if you're not aware, the Chrysler 300 and the Dodge Charger actually share the same mirrors, so these are also compatible with my wife's car. And once I put these up there and showed her what they look like, she of course wanted a set too. And looking at it on hers, you can see a little bit of white still showing through there. All right, so I'm actually installing these on my wife's car first. And if the white around there bothers you, I just took some electrical tape and wrapped it around. You could cut it a little bit thinner if you want to, but putting that up there should go ahead and hide that little strip of white that we were seeing before. So I'll probably do this on my car too, actually. But I'm installing it on hers first, just so I could get a feel for how the install is going to go. I did take a heat gun because it's like 45 degrees out here right now. So I'm gonna use the heat gun on the mirror just to warm it up a bit to help the tape stick, and we'll get this on. The other thing I forgot to mention is you do want to wipe this down with alcohol real good. I did that before I put the tape up here, so make sure that you completely clean any wax or anything, oils off of here before you go ahead and put this tape up there. And again, this is the inside. I already have the tape started, so we're just going to go ahead, peel that off. add here. So that's hers, one of hers anyway. Looks pretty good. All right, y'all, so we're gonna take a look at the finished product. Pretty easy to do. You just, like I said, stick them on there, and you still are able to fold the mirrors in, if you guys are wondering, so you don't lose that functionality. So on my wife's car, she actually has the pillar covers as well in gloss black. So these complement those pretty well. And here's my car from the front. I did go ahead and use the tape around there, but you can barely see it. So there are other ways you could go about making these black. Obviously, you can get them painted like I plan to, or you could wrap them. It's a pretty solid option right here. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you prefer the white? Is this something you're interested in doing? Let me know. We are an Amazon affiliate, so I'll put a link to these on our store if you want to pick some up for your car. Like I said, they go on either the Dodge Charger or the Chrysler 300, and the model years are stated up there on the posting as well, so you can just make sure that they fit your car. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. More content's on the way, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.